Hi guys, hello everyone. Good night. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name's Areta Rafanaila Azahra. Everyone, but you can call me Areta. 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 I am now 18 years old and I have long hair, wearing glasses, and I am humble and friendly person. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.